Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English. Thank for watching video.
Greetings and introductions. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How's your day?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
What's new?
Not much, just the usual. What about you?
Polite expressions. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Please, can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Excuse me.
Yes? How can I help you?
I'm sorry.
That's okay, don't worry about it.
No problem.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Don't worry about it.
Thanks, that means a lot.
That's very kind of you.
I'm glad I could help.
Asking for help or information. Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, here you go.
Could you speak more slowly?
Of course, no problem.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, let me guide you.
How much does this cost?
It's $25.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner.
What time is it?
It's 9:30.
Can you recommend a good place to eat?
Yes, you should try Best Restaurant.
Is this seat taken?
No, please have a seat.
Daily conversations. What do you do?
I work as a teacher. And you?
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Do you need any help?
No thanks, I'm okay.
Let's go out.
Sounds good. Where shall we go?
See you later.
See you soon.
Take care.
You too stay safe.
I'll call you back.
Okay, I'll wait for your call.
Common situations. I'm looking for.
Sure, let me help you find it.
I don't understand.
No worries, let me explain again.
Can you explain that?
Yes, here's what it means.
I agree with you.
I'm glad we think the same.
That sounds great.
Yes, I'd love that.
I'm not sure.
That's okay, take your time.
I'm a bit busy right now.
No problem, we can talk later.
Maybe another time.
Sure, let me know when.
Shopping and food. Do you have this in another size?
Yes, let me check for you.
I'm just looking, thank you.
Sure, take your time.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
I'd like to order.
Great choice, I'll take your order.
Could we have the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
That's too expensive.
We have some cheaper options as well.
Is there a discount?
Yes, there's a special offer today.
Expressing feelings. I'm tired.
You should get some rest.
I'm hungry.
Let's grab something to eat.
I feel sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you need help?
I'm excited.
That's great. What's the occasion?
I'm bored.
Let's do something fun.
I'm nervous.
Don't worry, you'll do fine.
I'm happy today.
That's wonderful to hear.
I'm a little sad.
I'm here if you want to talk.
Everyday life. I'm on my way.
Okay, see you soon.
I'm running late.
No problem. Take your time.
Let's take a break.
Good idea. I need one too.
I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Let's keep in touch.
Definitely. Here's my number.
I haven't decided yet.
That's fine. Take your time.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, then let's move on.
I'll let you know.
Perfect, thanks.
Social interactions. What's your plan for today?
I might go shopping. How about you?
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am. Why?
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite is _____. And yours?
Are you busy right now?
A little, but I can talk.
That makes sense.
I'm glad you understand.
That's interesting.
Yes, isn't it?
I don't mind.
Great, let's do it then.
Travel and directions. How far is it?
About 10 minutes from here.
Can you take a photo for me?
Of course, happy to help.
Where can I buy a ticket?
Over there at the counter.
Is this the right bus?
Yes, it goes to downtown.
How long does it take?
Around half an hour.
Can you call a taxi, please?
Yes, sure.
Is it nearby?
Yes, just a short walk.
Do I need a reservation?
Yes, it's better to book in advance.
At work or study? Let's have a meeting.
Sure, when is good for you?
Can you send me the file?
I'll send it right away.
I need more time.
Okay, let's extend the deadline.
Can we work together?
Yes, I'd be happy to.
That's a good idea.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Let's start now.
Okay, I'm ready.
I finished my work.
Great job, well done.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
Casual chat. What's going on?
Not much, just relaxing.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
That's funny.
Yeah, it really is.
I'm just kidding.
Haha, I know.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. What about you?
I need a break.
Same here, let's rest.
Let's watch a movie.
Good idea, which one?
Talk to you later.
Sure, bye for now.
Making plans. Do you want to hang out?
Sure, when and where?
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, let's plan something.
Let's go for a walk.
Sounds good, I need some fresh air.
Do you want to grab coffee?
I'd love to.
Can we meet later?
Yes, what time suits you?
Let's have dinner together.
Great idea, I'm in.
When are you free?
I'm free tomorrow evening.
I'll text you later.
Okay, I'll wait for your message.
Expressing opinions. I think so.
Me too, I agree.
I don't think so.
That's fine, let's find another way.
In my opinion.
That's interesting, I see your point.
I disagree.
That's okay, everyone has opinions.
You might be right.
Thanks, maybe we should check again.
I never thought about that.
Yeah, it's something to consider.
That's true.
Exactly.
That's not true.
Actually, I know it's different.
In the workplace. Can you help me with this?
Yes, let's do it together.
I need your advice.
Sure, what do you want to know?
Can you check this for me?
Yes, let me take a look.
I'll do it later.
Okay, no rush.
Can you finish it by today?
I'll try my best.
Let's take a short break.
Yes, I need one too.
I'll call the client.
Thanks, that would be helpful.
Can we reschedule the meeting?
Sure, when works better.
Friend and family talk. How's your family?
They're doing well, thanks.
Do you miss home?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Tell me more.
Okay, here's what happened.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, that means a lot.
Let's celebrate.
Yes, let's do it.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading. How about you?
I like traveling.
Me too. Where have you been?
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Daily small talk. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax or meet friends.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite is underscore underscore underscore. What about yours?
Do you like sports?
Yes, football is my favorite.
How's the weather today?
It's rainy but nice.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Don't worry.
Guess what?
What happened? Tell me.
That's amazing.
I know, right?
Politeness and courtesy. After you.
Thank you, that's polite.
Can I come in?
Yes, please do.
Take a seat.
Thank you very much.
Can I borrow this?
Sure, no problem.
Do you need help?
Yes, please, thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks, that's kind of you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, you too.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks, I'll keep in touch.
Courtesy and polite talk. Can I ask you something?
Of course, go ahead.
May I join you?
Sure, I'd love that.
Sorry for the delay.
No problem, it's okay.
Thanks for waiting.
You're welcome.
Can you do me a favor?
Sure, what do you need?
That's very thoughtful.
Thanks, I tried my best.
Do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all, please sit.
I really appreciate it.
I'm glad I could help.
At home. Dinner is ready.
I'll be right there.
Can you help me clean?
Sure, let's do it together.
Turn off the lights.
Okay, done.
Can you pass me that?
Here you go.
Let's watch TV.
Sounds good.
I'm going to bed.
Okay, good night.
Good luck tomorrow.
Thanks, I'll do my best.
Sweet dreams.
Same to you.
In the market or shopping. Do you have change?
Yes, here it is.
Can I pay by cash?
Yes, we accept cash.
Do you have this in red?
Let me check.
Can you give me a bag?
Yes, here you are.
Is this fresh?
Yes, it's fresh today.
Can I return this?
Yes, within 7 days.
That's all for now.
Okay, thank you.
At the restaurant. Can I see the menu?
Sure, here it is.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is very popular.
Is it spicy?
Only a little.
Could I have water, please?
Of course, I'll bring it.
Is service included?
Yes, it is.
Can we sit outside?
Yes, follow me.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a few.
Can I take this to go?
Yes, I'll pack it for you.
Travel and hotel. I'd like to check in.
Welcome. May I have your ID?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, here's the password.
What's the checkout time?
It's 11 a.m.
Can I get a wake-up call?
Yes, what time?
Is breakfast included?
Yes, with your booking.
Can I have another key?
Sure, here you go.
I'd like a taxi, please.
I'll call one for you.
Where is the nearest ATM?
It's just around the corner.
Everyday chat. I had a great time.
Me too, let's do it again.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a doctor.
Do you like reading?
Yes, very much.
That was delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I can't wait.
Me neither, I'm excited.
Do you know what I mean?
Yes, I get it.
That reminds me.
Oh, what happened?